grilled jerk lobster. And if you think this video is about the jerk lobster, this video is actually about that sauce make at the end. So stick around to the end. Because anyone in the world can make jerk lobster, but not anyone can make that special sauce. So that special butter sauce I'm gonna make at the end is the most important in this video. Three ounces of butter in there, just leave that, let it chill while I concentrate on my lobster. And this lobster is it's like 5 pounds, big guy, and it's gonna feed 3 or 4 people. See him moving around, he's still kind of kicking. Toss him around a little bit. So what happened is all my juice go in the lobster now. So now I put it directly on the grill. Let them cook. I got my butter is melting, lobster is cooking. So I got this honey and jerk. So we take the honey jerk, we put it in there a little bit. Take the honey jerk. In there. Set that aside. My butter get hot. Put that over. So for that special sauce, what we take is a 2 tablespoons paprika. Mix that in. Honey, like tablespoon. A little bit of jerk. A little bit of seasoning salt, some crushed red pepper, and the rest of that jerk spice honey mix. Throw that in there. We're gonna leave that. So we're gonna leave that, let it come to a boil. we're gonna do is we're gonna put it in our foil. We're gonna take the secret sauce. Right in there. All that spice. And we got that. Now we're gonna steam. So now we're gonna steam bake. So in the foil.